It is almost night. I am getting ready to camp under the moonlight. Every is just light. I have my sleeping bag and flashlight.
I have a surprise. Let's go outside. Say hello to Spike and Plank. They are camping here tonight.
Mom, I don't like Spike.
You might like him better if you spend some time together. You'll see, everything will be just right.
I'm hungry. What did you bring for me to eat?
I have some fish cake.
I will gobble that up in the night. Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Look, the stars are so bright. I see at least a million.
I see 71.
I see nothing but two silly cats looking at the moonlight.
It's getting late. Let's try to sleep.
My sleeping bag is much too tight.
I can help you. I will rip open your sleeping bag. Ring.
I saw a dark shadow creep up the tent. Run for your life!
Did I give you a fright? What's the big deal?
Everything is alright. I am too tired to pick a fight.
There's something strange crawling on my leg. Mommy!
It's alright, Pike. Come back.
We will protect each other for the rest of the night.
Good night.
Good night.
See you in the morning.